So as we get to understand a little more about the thyroid, it's the main hormone for your metabolism, digestion, as well as the function of other hormones. So it impacts your level of energy, the blood sugar control, libido, which is very important, and not many women really address this with their physicians, sleep and mood disorders. The weight is a huge part. Though there are multiple hormones that affect weight, thyroid is a very important hormone. And also rapid aging. The thyroid affects almost every cell in the body. That's why it's extremely important to understand how the thyroid works. So when you look at it, the hypothalamus, the brain, responds to low hormones. And what it does is it releases the TRH, the thyroid releasing hormone or thyrotropin releasing hormone, which goes to the pituitary, produces the thyroid stimulating hormone, which then tells the thyroid to produce the T4 and T3. And once these hormones gets released and there's an increase in the blood level of these hormones, it goes back to the brain, says stop producing the TRH. And that's how this whole system works. So when you look at the three major steps, you want to have this thyroid stimulating hormone working really well, and the T3 and T4 that gets released also working really well. Now, the next step would be once the thyroid stimulating hormone hits the thyroid, what really happens is the iodine, you can see this, the thyroid stimulating hormone, these are the thyroid cells. It stimulates the thyroid cells to produce the T3, T4. It draws in the iodine. Iodine comes mostly from food, and 10 to 23% of our dietary iodine is taken up by the thyroid, combines with the tyrosine, and therefore the raw material iodine is very crucial. So this diagram is a picture inside the cell, and the release of T4 and T3 occurs, and then the conversion of T4 to T3 is the next crucial step. The numbers on the thyroid hormone indicate the number of iodine molecules attached to the thyroid hormone, and T4 is therefore has 4, and it's the inactive hormone, and T3 is the active hormone, has only 3. And how do they get detached? By the action of this enzyme called deiodinase. So the deiodinase converts the T4 to T3, and this enzyme is found in the liver, kidney, and in most cells. Hopefully that makes you understand the second part of this thyroid, particularly how it gets produced and how it's regulated.